Hello. How do I turn off this thing? Okay, we don't need this transcript. Gosh, so weird. Stop transcript. Okay. So content transcribe. All right, somebody go ahead and talk. I want to check if I can be able to hear you.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you. I am checking all of this. All right. I hope. Does anybody know how to stop this transcript right here? It's just so annoying. I think it should stop. Okay. Then should be good. All right, I think I already set up correctly this time. So let me just go ahead and stop this. And we're gonna wait for the rest of the class, and we're gonna start at 3 o'clock, okay? All right, what I want you guys to do right now is go ahead and do your attendance I check your attendance and some of you forget to do it. So even though um, this is a completely online class, you still need to do attendance, yeah? So make sure you fill out this form. It's important for your scholarship and your employee assistant program, and also it's important for our institution, especially in this new administration, okay? Because attendance is very important for them to understand that everybody is here at school. Okay. Of course, I will never reduce, even if you cannot be able to make it. Your points are always with your exercise, okay? All right. I'm going to go ahead and wait about a minute for the rest of the class. All right, so today what we're going to do is your first assignment. So we have a getting started what zero exercise that everybody want to turn in. So I went ahead and go ahead, if you want to upload something, you can upload the word one. So anyway, so this is the word exercise that we want to give it to you to see your skill, okay? Like where you're at, if you're very good or you're at the yes, you just try to learn a word from this class. So to differentiate that, we're going to do this exercise, okay? I also put your word exercise right here, yeah? It is under files. So you're going to see, this is just automatic. Whatever I upload is going to show up right there, yeah? And of course, I make a another folder for you so you can easily navigate. Yeah, so the word zero exercises right here. And I'll also link that for you here. So you know what you got to do for this word zero exercise. So so if you open it, yeah, go ahead and download and open it. So you should get something like this. Yeah. So this assignment is composed of one, two, three, and four parts in it. Okay. And of course, this is from the official Microsoft exercise that we get. What you're gonna do is the exercise start from here. Yeah. I am gonna go ahead and give you about 30 minutes, okay? So 4 exercises, one exercise is 30 minutes. So it's gonna take you about, standard about 2 hours. So go ahead and download, and we're on the very first page. Of course, some expert, you can finish it in like 15 minutes. So definitely we're not gonna take that long, yeah? So open your Word. So you can open your Word here, yeah, in your local Word, or you can also use My MCC Word. So whichever way is good for you. Okay, so My MCC Word is going to be here under Office 365. Okay, so I already showed you where the cloud version of Word is. Okay, we usually go right into the pin, all right, navigation. So if you have already a pin, you should have this one. If you just want to use a regular, local version of your Word, you can just open it, okay, in your PC or laptop. Um, all right, so I'm going to give you about 30 minutes, yeah, to do this exercise. And we're going to get back to here, and you can upload it here, yeah? So go to this team, and right here, this is our meeting, and you're going to upload up to you finish your Word 0 exercise number 1. You're going to save it in PDF and upload it right there, yeah? Of course, when you finish everything, um, you're gonna do the official upload right here, okay? So this is your official Word 0 upload, and this includes all 4 exercise, okay? So you have practice 1, practice 2, practice 3, and practice 4 here, yeah? So right now I'm just gonna give you a lot of time, so I know, like how to help you if you don't know how to do. These are very, very simple move. We call it move for the cursor move. Of course, some student can call it whatever they want. Move mean like you move your mouse to go to a certain function here to complete the assignment, okay? These are just a copy and paste on the same document. You're gonna start the program, which I already showed you how to start it. You're gonna insert a picture. It doesn't have to be like whatever picture. Even though long time ago they used a clip art, okay, you can also use just a regular picture. Yeah, I don't mind. Some students just want to do the regular picture. That's all right if you cannot be able to find the clip art, okay? Um, because this is actually, even though it is still in the syllabus, it's just very deprecated. Then you're going to select the picture, you're going to copy and paste it, and you're going to do that 5 times, okay? So anyway, just keep going all the way down. Make sure that you save your very first, right, a document Word 0, practice 1, and then post it here on your Teams, okay? So on Teams, you're going to see right there, and go to your team classroom, yeah, and I'll just show it to it's on my other screen right here, yeah, and yes, so you can be able to post it after you finish it, yeah. All right, go ahead and get started. If you need help, share me your screen, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and stop sharing this screen.
This is just a class assignment, right? Like a practice?
Yeah, we have an in-class assignment because that's a mandatory that they want us to do. So these in-class assignments are given only in class, and I'm going to tell you what to upload it or what to upload in addition to your at-home exercise. Yeah, at home is just practice. We give you 100% without reducing if you try. Yeah. Of course, in class, yeah, will be a lit. I only grade actually always exam. Yeah, quizzes are automated, so assignments are always 100%. We don't really reduce the points for students who are still putting effort to learn something because it isn't fair to me personally. So anyway, so just go ahead and do the best you can for the first practice exercise and then post it here. Yeah, you got 30 minutes, so we're gonna get by here 3:30. I am here, by the way, so go ahead and take your time and do it.
Okay,
So
it's
are we
gonna take
doing
me a
all
moment. Oh,
4 of the assignments or no?
You're doing the very first page of the Word 0, yes. So we have, I can share this again to you. There are 4 parts in, okay, let me go ahead and share this. So we have, okay, I'm just going to share the whole thing here so you can be able to see it. Okay, so we have 4. Practice 1 is the first exercise. It has its own file. Yeah, Word 0 practice 1. So that's the
Okay.
first thing you are going to post it here. And then the next 30 minutes, we're going to do practice 2. Yeah, and then practice 3. I hope to finish up to practice 3. Yes, during this class time. Of
Okay.
course, the rest of them you can do it at home, but right now I just want to see your ability. Some of the students are freshmen, so yep. I know that some of you are expert in Word, so all right, go ahead and go do that. Yeah, I'll be right here, yeah, and post it. So I'll be checking
And
your posting.
where are we posting these to? Just to our regular
You're posting
360?
in this classroom, which is our team, which is this one right here. You're in the
Okay.
team, yeah. So right there. Yep. Good. Good. All right. Go ahead and get started. We're already 8 minutes out. Okay, Cutter, put your word, Cutter and Sean, put your word into here, yeah? Um, I'm just gonna go the entire screen here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it into here. See, like Logan is doing, Amy is doing. Oh yeah, okay, that's good. But this is going into your chat. Yeah, sorry. So this two got to be here. Yeah, so that way it will go into my classroom submission. So go ahead and move your file from here and put it into there. Don't put it into here, you know. So if you put it into here, this is all wrong, you know. If you put it into there, but it's okay. But I'll tell them, yeah. Sometimes they delete it. So anyway, and another thing is, Sean, I want it in Word, yeah. So make sure don't upload the PDF. We're gonna, yes, that is good. Shailing is done. Just, yeah, change your PDF. Yes, just submit the Word file. Yeah, we are in Word, Microsoft Word. So the very first exercise is just our, cut, copy, and paste. So if you guys know the shortcut, go ahead and put it in your chat. What is the shortcut for cut, copy, and paste? You're gonna use a control blah blah blah, control blah blah blah, and control blah. Okay, so give me a cut, control and what? CTRL plus CTRL plus C and CTRL plus V. Yeah, you guys forget the little plus sign in it. Yeah, so make sure you write like this. So you go CTRL and then plus and then C. Yes. And cut is CTRL plus X. Good, good. So these are your keyboard shortcuts. Of course, we usually say like Control C, Control V, Control X, yeah. But when you write it the CTRL, that's your control key, and then plus and then C, yeah. So these usually appear on your certification exam. So we know how to copy, we know how to paste it, we know how to copy and paste it to the different document in the same document, and then we can be able to copy and paste it into a different program, which is, in this case, we're using Excel, another program, okay? So anyway, once you finish it, you're gonna save it in Word 0, practice 1. Some students love to put their name at the end. You can do that too, yeah? Does anyone need more time? I only have like, let me see. Let me check the file. It should populate here. I only have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students here. So we need more, yeah? So I'll give you a little more time, 10 more minutes. Yeah, I will go ahead and delete that for you. It's because I think the name of your, yes, document is the same. So let me go and delete that and you can upload it. So this is your document, okay? So only the IT can delete that. So you can go ahead and delete that by yourself, yeah? And this is exactly what I don't want you guys to do, yeah? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and put it, yeah, into here. So that way, okay, that way we have, oh, you see, I just made a mistake right there. I accidentally take that in. So anyway, going into the same folder, the way that they structure. Anyway, I can do that later, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of your files into the word 0, yeah, instead of the in here. I think somebody deleted our okay, so let me just go back and take this back into there. Since this is a common channel, yeah, just be careful. See that we're in the recordings right now. That's a pretty bad. Yeah, don't move the files, okay? I'm going to rearrange that for you. If somebody is deliberately messing it, it's just not right, yeah? So that's got to actually go back to the general instead of, should move it. Yeah, I can't. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we get the bag. If this is recording, so don't do it. So what I want you guys to save is if you do want to throw it into the files, just put it into word 0, yeah? And so that way we can, we have everything in it. And just make sure, yeah, Sean, delete your PDF. We don't want the PDF, yeah? Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and delete that for you. Make it in Word, yeah? And then I'll put it into Word 0 exercise if you want to put the file directly. But I do want you to reply and post it so it's easier for me to yeah, take a look at it. This is good, yeah? It's just a folder is wrong. So all you do is go to the files and then get into Word 0 exercise and upload it there. Yeah, so try to practice. I'm just gonna keep both for you so I won't lose your files. So make sure save it right inside of here, yeah? If you float it outside, and if they don't see my name, the system is gonna erase it at the end of the day, and I don't want that to happen. So we're gonna shell it by putting it into this word 0 exercise, which is under this user, which is me, yeah? So that way the file won't be deleted. What they do is like they leave only my stuff and delete everything else systematically. Anyway, that's just not personal. Yeah, that is a very system doing it, cleaning up. All right, so we have 5 more minutes. Okay, we have 5 more minutes. So let me look at your chat and answer. Okay, that's already answered that. Yes, that is correct. We have done the very first one, yeah. Um, so if you cannot finish it in 30 minutes, you can take home and do it at home, yeah. And of course, you're gonna upload it in your assignment, yeah. You will. The team is only for the on-demand, okay, on-demand upload. Assignment meaning you're gonna upload it right here, yeah. So go to there, and then you can put in the entire thing. All right, then we are gonna go into the next one, yeah. So the next one is practice 2. Yes. Those of you who are done with it. So go ahead and to practice 2. We're gonna start, okay? Don't worry about this clip art. That's already deprecated. So just a picture is fine, yeah? So go ahead and do the corporate stripe. You're gonna create a business letter. You're gonna type this, all right? You're gonna insert a picture. And then you're going to use, all right, your company logo for the pictures. You're going to insert the date and time, and you're going to type a simple business letter. We don't care about the content, so you can make that up, yeah. And then of course it's got to have all aspect of the business letter. Yeah, your greeting and then your farewell here and then your name. Yeah. And then you're going to save it in Word Zero Practice 2. All right, that's for the next 30 minutes. So the first exercise, those of you who are still doing it, you still have like 3 minutes. Yeah, more. All right, let's do that. The second, yeah, practice 2.
did. How did you get out?
Yeah, we're gonna upload it into Teams, everything that we do in class. Yeah, of course, you're gonna have opportunity to make it better in your official D2L word assignment, which is due actually February 2nd. Yeah, this is just a practice that we're doing. So if you encounter like, oh, I don't know how to do this one, that one, you can ask me. Yeah. Yes, everything that we do in class, just put it into here. I'm going to show you again. It's in your team, yeah? You can directly put it here because some students love to put it. See, like, I don't like this. I want you to put it into word zero exercise. We don't, this is exactly what we're training you to be in the engineering technology, yeah? So to become a professional, FE or PE, that is a fundamental engineer, or okay, professional engineer if you're aiming for the certification in our line, okay, even the mechanical technology student, if you have a expertise, you can still take, yeah, the FE or PE exam because we are ABET accredited. So make sure these little things, yeah, means a lot. So don't try to do your best to be able to put your file into the right folder, yeah, and that is your file organization. If your file organization skill is so bad, you're gonna see all of the child files right here, and it won't be under the parent folder. Yeah, so our parent folder is W0 exercise. So everything that is a word zero gotta go into here. So how do you upload it? You go into here, click on it, then upload. Yeah, so you can do upload directly, or you can add news from here. It's the same thing. Okay. Of course, right now we're doing the upload, so just go ahead and upload it, but make sure that you're in this word zero exercise, not in general. Yeah, so make sure you practice your file organization. So yes, I do want you to upload. So we're gonna have we're trying to finish 4, yeah, practice exercise here. If we cannot finish it, it's okay too, you can take home. We're just going like every 30 minutes. Yeah. All right. The next exercise is going to be, of course, you can throw in your 4 files right in there before or on February 2nd. Yeah. So some students love to do, you know, perfect assignment. So in that case, you can work on your Word. You can only submit a single file. We put 4 pages, or you can submit 4 separate files. It's up to you. Yeah. So anyway, so right now we're gonna do separate files. So the third exercise, okay, we're gonna go. These are just education aspect that we gotta write it down. Yeah. Of course, the administration, they only read this because they don't have time to do, they don't know either. So they only read anything, or they would, the most they do is copy and paste it in their document. Anyway, you don't need that, yeah? So anyway, so working with pictures, again, yeah, you are going to open your Word document, and then this is already deprecated. People don't use this anymore, yeah? So what I am going to do is, let me see, like what's going on with this person right there, yeah? Um, I am going to find who's oh, this guy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and yes do this. All right. So anyway, let's go back to here. Um, so in this exercise, don't worry about the clip art. Yeah, some students have an issue finding where to. If you just give me a picture, that's okay. You can find, yeah, a lot of pictures, thousands of pictures. If you Google it, here it's gonna pop out. You know, this from all over the world sharing. So anyways, insert a picture of a sun or a sunset, and then you're gonna format the size of it. Yeah, you want to resize it, the picture to 1.5 inches. This is inches wide, and you're gonna use the line, okay, text wrapping, okay. This is the, if you don't know, don't do it. Okay, it's okay. I'm just trying to understand like your skill, where you're at, so I understand what yes, how to give you, like which question in your quiz 1 or exam. Yeah. So next to the picture type, you're gonna do the weather is great. Yeah. Caption. You're gonna insert a picture of the camera, and then you're gonna do each one of them. Yeah. Then you're gonna save that word 0 practice 3, and then upload it here. Make sure that this time you upload into this folder. Yeah. See this person. Danny, just said Danny is doing it wrong. So you gotta upload it into here. See how hard the file organization is, even though you get like 100 points on it. In real life, yeah, you can't be able to put the file in the right folder, not yet. So make sure you practice it, yeah. So we ask you to do the exercise and put into teammates because I want to see how you're organizing every week. Okay, so that skill got to be improved. Yeah. All right, I'm going to give you another 30 minutes and go ahead and do your exercise 3. Okay, so let's check the chat. Yeah, continue to do your exercise. I'm just checking the chat because somebody asked, what is the difference between document and program? Well, they're very different because your document is just a file, yeah. Of course, in the file, you have your information, yeah, and then you can read and edit your file, and you can also sort, yeah, the data in your file, like your word processing file, which we're using right now, your .docx, and that's your document. Okay, your Excel file, that's your document. Your PowerPoint, yeah, PPTX, that's your document. Your PDF document. Program is a totally different thing. Program has like a set of instructions. You have intelligence in it in your computer. So your computer is very intelligent because we design it to be able to remember, okay, text, which is your I wouldn't say like the computer terms because you won't understand. Anyway, this is define any information that you can put through your keyboard. Okay, that's the information that the computer is trained or set up. We design the motherboard, yes, circuit to be able to capture that. So we're translating human thoughts and language into alphabet. Okay, and then we call that characters, of course, and that characters you choose it on your keyboard, yeah, and then that keyboard is going to translate that into the electron packages. Okay, so everything about is how we transmit the data packages in the electric current, we call it. Okay, so of course for human intelligence, some of us cannot be able to understand the very tiny nature of the electrons, yeah, but we're very intelligent to be able to package them, and we send these signal in the way we want it to go. For 5G is even more powerful because we can transmit our data in a very precise and accurate way, yeah. It means that if I want to target your phone, I can do it, doesn't matter where you are in the world, yeah. So that's the power of the current, okay, today's technology. So program is just a lot of instruction that your computer got to execute. Okay, I will say execute so it can perform the task. So you can just try to understand it like a program, you know, which is right now we're using the word, right? Word, we call it software program app, right now it's called that, and it has an incredible amount of instructions, so computer know if, all right, the user open this program or application, I'm gonna do if this person, you know, like hit this character or that key on this computer, yeah. So in this keyboard, I will do that. It's been programmed on there for you. And the artificial intelligence right now is even more powerful because you don't have to train it anymore, not like human to machine anymore. It's like machine is training itself. okay, according to the user input. So user is not training anymore, but like you have access to ChatGPT, right? So that's inside of your web browser already integrated AI in your web browser. You can train that, okay, according to your intelligence. So it will behave in the way you trained it. So if you're training it sloppily, the answer your ChatGPT give is going to be sloppy. Yeah. So anyway, so that's the difference between your document and program. Okay. All right. Continue to do your exercise 3. All right, so somebody is asking about the tight wrapping. So I don't know what you're using. If you're using cloud version, all right, this one is the local version. So if you have like a whatever pizza here, you can be able to go, okay, look at this wrap text, right click, and you're gonna see this tight. Okay, so that's your tight text wrapping. Okay, so go ahead and try to do that.
But what if we're using the cloud version?
It should be there. I am not a user of the cloud version, but let me check. Yeah, it should be there. If this school cloud version doesn't include a text wrap, you can skip it. But let me check before I say something here. Yes, and do you have question? Somebody, maybe I think it's just they don't have. All right, so let me check your question here. It is not, yeah, that is correct. It isn't available, so you just use an inline, yeah, instead of a tight if you use a cloud version. Where am I saving it again? You're gonna save it right here, yeah. So for in-class assignment, because we're checking yeah, so who come into the class, yeah, it's right in here, yeah. Don't put it into the first page. Put it under this word zero exercise, yeah, folder. So make sure you save it there. In order for you to go there, you will go to the files in our channel, yeah. So go to that's because if you take it out, they are sensing, yeah, the robot is sensing your name, so everything that I put under me won't get deleted. Everything, yeah, student posts will be deleted. So in that case, you can make your own chat, yeah, and you can keep it there. But anyway, to be safe, just put into this word zero exercise file, yeah. Don't forget your file organization. That's what we're training you to organize your files, yeah. It is very important because you're not going to be, if you get, like a corporation or Fortune 500 companies. Of course, I don't know much about the smaller businesses because my first job was at Mohawk, and that's like a Fortune 500, industries, and not everybody in there is organized, by the way. So as you go down from engineering section to the floor or machine, so level, they're very disorganized, yeah. So only those who are like monitoring the system, yeah, we gotta be super organized, yeah. Otherwise you cannot be able to run the system. Yeah, my background is in system engineering, industrial engineering technology, and I am getting into robotics right now because I have a serious interest in a soft robotics instead of the hard robots that we use in manufacturing, because the flexible robots, I believe, is going to be the future of our world. So anyway, so in the industry, a group, all right, a very thoroughly trained group has they have a very organized, okay, systems and files, and I want you to get a job like that, yeah. So don't think like those kind of jobs are not for me. No, not like that. You can get there, yeah. It's just that you just have to polish your skills, yeah, and that starts from how systematic you think and how systematic you organize your funds, yeah. So the pay is so different, yeah. If you do your job, whatever, you get the pay average, I think. But if you do your job very good, yeah, you go up really quick, okay. So anyway, because there are about 99% of the people do not do they don't really do a good job. I didn't say like they don't do the good job. I would say like they don't seek for the perfection or excellence. Yeah, but you have to target that if you want to get paid differently. Yeah. So anyways, let's go into here. I want you to save it right in there. Yeah. So try to practice. Of course, not many students can be able to put it into there. Yeah. And next week we're gonna go into, according to our schedule, we will be in work 1 and 2. Yeah. So at that time I'll give you a little bit of the exercise and you're gonna put into the correct folder. So that way we will be practicing file organization throughout the semester. And department, when you guys do get that, yeah, knowledge is very critical. So what I do here is like when we teach online, I mark it like this. Okay, it means that I have already answered. So don't feel bad about it or anything about it. It just, don't react to the whatever icon I'm choosing. I'm just choosing that I answered this. Yeah.
So I know you already did the other assignments, but I'm still working on the first one. You said I'm just uploading the Word document with the five pictures I copied and pasted, right? That's the first for the word zero?
That that is correct, yes. And don't
Okay.
worry that if you cannot do all of it now, it's not due yet, yeah? We're just practicing. It's due like all the way February 2nd, and you can upload it to D2L, yeah?
Okay, and these ones are different from the ones that are in Brightspace, right?
They are, yes, the tutorial videos are for you to do your assignment. The assignment I gave 100% points, even though you have some, like minor mistakes in there, it's okay. We just want you to practice, yeah, by looking at the textbook and by looking at the tutorial videos, yeah. So
Okay.
that's another aspect of the training. So every industry we train, you guys, when you come into the job, everything is in a tutorial video. Very, I don't know why, it's that they have their own, YouTube channel, they have their own channel, application channel, and of course the work is going to pay for all of these trainings, but all the trainings are with the tutorial video. So our school is going to train you guys in the way, yeah, your as your job requirement, yeah, at your real job. So that's how we do the work in our industrial, not industrial, I mean like, or of course, engineering technology field. Okay,
Okay. Thank you.
you're welcome. Okay, our last, all right, assignment. I'm gonna go ahead and share this. I just do the whole screen. And the last one is going to be here is our, this is your practice 4, okay? And this one, you're gonna create a little bit more advanced than the previous practice exercises. You're gonna create a flyer, okay? So go ahead and follow this and then create a flyer. Yeah, so you're gonna play with the borders, pictures in this exercise. And you're gonna save it as word 0, practice 4. Yeah, so you have about, let's say, yeah, 30 minutes for this. Yeah, we have plenty of time. Okay, let's see the chat. All right, let me see if I got your files. Practice 3. Yeah, this two student, yeah, need to correctly save it in here. Right now, of course, I'm gonna just drag it in and put it in there. Try it again, yeah. I believe let's see, Shaylin. I think it goes in Shaylin, yeah. So I don't see number 4 yet. Oh, okay, 3. Yeah, 3 is in. Yeah, good, good. Okay, let's try it. Look at this chat. I'm struggling with the uploading. Okay, Bryce, go ahead and share your screen and let me see how you're doing. Can you hear me, Bryce? Bryce.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
On
go
mute.
ahead and share your screen and show me how you're doing.
You see my screen?
Yeah, share is yeah, next to the little red icon for leave meetings.
It's okay now?
I can't see anything. Yeah, just share it. Yeah.
I click on share. I have like a blue button on right on the top of share. I click on that.
Next to the mic. The share is between the mic and the
Yeah,
leave button.
yes, I saw that. I saw that. I
And
completed.
click the screen share. There are 3 windows, and you're gonna see the very first one is fine. Yeah, just share the whole screen is okay for now.
Screen Windows. I don't
Yeah,
know.
screen, the very first one.
Okay, that's what I did.
Yep, good job. All right, so where are you uploading? And you're gonna upload in the meeting, see the general meeting. Go in there, save this one, save this file in your desktop. This PC, yeah, no, this PC. Double click, yeah, double click, yes, and put it on the desktop. Go all the way up, and there's your desktop. Yep, and name it W0. What is it? Is it practice 1 or 2 or 3?
1 is 3.
3. So W is capital and 0 is 0, not an O. So W, capital W with 0, space, capital P,
Capital T.
capital P as in pen,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
penny, yeah, P, practice 1, or I mean 3, you're on 3.
Yeah.
So what they want you to answer. Yes.
That is 3.
Yeah, that's good. And then save it there. Then go to your team. Yeah, go to your team. Your team is right behind that word. Yeah, there it is. Okay, not that team. So that is the meeting conference. I'm talking about the channel team. Yeah, channel team. Yeah, go to your channel team. Mm.
Getting a master's in math? Yeah, I just go.
Yeah, go to yes, go to the channel
You
team.
work here? Not in the line, but in MCC.
Yeah. Okay. Right there, the very first one. See that very first one, teams and channel. That's the one. You're in the top. You're in the meeting. You don't upload in meeting. You upload in the team. See the very first one. You're on the third.
Okay.
Go to the very first one. That one. Yeah. So in there, go all the way up. All the way up. Scroll all the way. No, 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 not the navigation. On this page, go up.
Oh.
In the page, go up. All the way up. No, no, no. That's the navigation. Your hand is on the navigation. I want you in the page. Page mean, yeah, and scroll up. Yep. Just scroll it up, all the way up, up, up.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay. If you cannot, I don't know, yours is a little bit different. I have no idea why it is, but it's okay. What you're gonna do is try the home page and see if you see ours the same thing. Yours is, yeah, I don't know why it's not showing in your, yeah. Go to homepage on the navigation bar. I just want to check if you have access to it. Yeah, go right here, homepage. No, 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 homepage. under T101 homepage,
Yeah,
not
yeah,
the
this one.
not the
Yeah.
first name. Yeah, right there. Go in there and see. I want to see like what you can have access. Oh, you don't have access. Okay, that's cool. So go to all teams. Um, yeah, go to
In
all
here.
teams. Yeah, go to all teams, and then go back into there. Go back into your team. Click in it. Not join on. Just click on. No, no, no. Just click into. Just click on T101. Click on it. Your hand
T1.
got to be on T101. That is team. That is
Yeah.
chat. Go into the page and click there. Yes, click on it. Click,
That's what I'm
click.
doing.
Yeah.
I'm doing that.
That's weird. Anyways, you should go. Anyways, why yours is so different from our, but that's okay. Go to files. Yeah. So now it appears. So go to files. So next to poses and files, see at the top bar, you're going to see general and then post and then files in the page. You're on the navigate. Yep. Click on it. Yeah, click on that. Good job. And see, go into Word Zero exercise, little blue folder. Yeah. I don't know whose mic is on. Yeah, close it. Yeah, in there, go to upload. Go to upload. Upload is up, 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 all the way up. Up right there, next to
Yeah,
the,
this one.
yeah, see, okay, upload there, please. And files, so you're uploading the file, not the folder, yeah? So you have a file template and folder. Go to your desktop. Go to your desktop. Yep. And then choose your file. Somebody is talking in the back. I don't know whose mic is on. Muted. Yeah, where, yes. So scroll down. There is your Word Zero practice, yeah? And it's going to upload it. You can keep both because it is the same as other people. So always keep both, okay? It would be better like if we put our name at the end. See, Davion is a is a good practice because now we have like the same file and it's not whoever program from the MCC team didn't attach to your net ID. Yeah, so your word supposed to be attached to the word supposed to be attached to your net ID. They didn't do it. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna put your first or last name. Yeah, to your word zero practice one, and then you put your first or last name there, or you can do like keep both files, yeah, when you upload it. Okay,
Okay, thanks.
yeah, that's yours because it is attached to your name modified by. That's just a programming when they integrate and implement this application in my MCC network, they forget to attach your files to your net ID. It is attached, but then there is a coding, I think, overriding the file name, meaning like if you name your file word zero practice 3, even though is Carter word zero practice 3, it would ask you, like, oh, do you want to keep the both files? So you just say like, yes, I do. Yeah, so that way you're going to get the C bracket 1 bracket 2 bracket 3 will come at the end. So in order to solve this problem and issue, next time you save the file, we're gonna put the last name, okay, last or the first name at the end, so we don't have to click keep both. All right, step. All right, good job. Yeah, you can stop
Thank
your
you.
sharing. Yep. Yeah, continue to do practice 4. Yeah, these are just a look. I'm just trying to understand where you are at on Word. Yeah, so that way I can give you the right test.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's check your chat. I'm confused on the format borders and shading. We're supposed to do this for the entire. Yes, it's up to you. You can do the borders of your picture, or you can do the border of the entire page or document. Yeah, or you can also do the borders of whichever yeah word or text that you want to border. Yeah. So right now it's just you can go ahead and do it for the entire page. That's okay. We will go into, of course, every each and every command of your word, yeah, as we go into the semester. Right now, it's just checking your preliminary skill, that's all. Okay, so if I did all practice, what should I do? Go ahead and upload all of your practice 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah? And then I'm gonna yes we will finish it very soon, yeah, 4:30. So what you're gonna do is I will give you the homework, yeah, so we are going to keep everybody on the same page. So yeah, just wait there for now, yeah, and we will close with the homework and let you guys go, yeah. One moment. And what you can do is, if you want it, you can, and if you're satisfied with your work, you can upload it to D2L and the Word Zero assignment. Yeah, that you can do if you don't want to waste your time waiting for others. Does anybody need more time? Even though we're like at 10 minutes before 4:30, I'm just curious. Yeah, you guys are really fast. So if you need more time, raise your hand. You can raise your hand by clicking the raise button next to the people button in your team, okay? Okay, so we're gonna wait, yeah? So yeah, border and shading is we're not the exercise is not on the border and shading. It's about how what you select. Okay, the key point is you can select something on that document and you can border and shade it. That's what it's talking about. Yeah. So if you select the picture, then your border will go into that picture. If you select the text, your border will be added to your words. And if you want to do it the entire page border, you can also do that. Yeah, you just have to make certain that what you're selecting. So selection in your document is your key point. Yeah. If you have nothing selected, of course, you can border specifically, but you can border the entire document. Yeah, so go to the document border, which is in your top navigation bar. Yes, Carter, that's correct. If you're satisfied with your work and you just want to submit it, you can go ahead and submit that. And like I said, exercise, I am not very picky in my grading for exercise. I usually, give 100% if you do all of them. If you didn't do like out of 4, you did only like 2, then you got 50. Yeah, out of 100, if you did all 4 exercise, then you got 100. Even if your assignment isn't that perfect or have some mistakes, yeah, in it. But you will learn, of course, that mistake during the semester. Yeah, we haven't even touched anything. Yeah, yet. This is just getting started. Yes, Etta, don't worry about it. Yeah, so some students have some stuff going on, and yes, of course, they wanna, you know, watch the video after the class. You can just give me some time. Yeah, it should. Yes, when I go back home, I will go ahead and package and post that for you. Yeah, it will appear on the announcement. Okay, Cutter. Yes, before you log out, make sure. All right, our next section. Okay, everybody is so our next section, okay, is going to be in your schedule, TK101 schedule, yeah, and that is going to be word 1 and 2 for next week, yeah. So if you're proactive and you want to do everything, yeah, you can get it started with your tutorial video, yeah. So on word 1 and word 2. And I will give you exercise in class. Yeah, so we're gonna have one exercise for about yes 1 or 2 exercise that you have to upload here right on this team. Okay. Yeah, so if you're finished with the exercise you have practice for, you can leave this class. Yeah, that's it for today. Yeah, I will go ahead and upload the video for those who miss it.
For exercise 3, where it says for the second picture, it doesn't have wrap type. What did you want us to change it to again?
Exercise 3, which one? The practice 3?
Yes.
The practice 3 is yeah, let me see like where we are. We're already okay. The practice 3 is just a wrap, yeah, text wrap. So we have a cloud version of the Word application, which is on the cloud under My MCC Office 365. It doesn't have a tight, okay, text wrap. So that's
Mm-hmm.
what we're talking about. So yeah, if you don't have it, just do
That's what I'm referring
inline.
to.
Yeah, inline instead of tight. Yeah. But if you're
Okay.
using local, you can type it and don't do inline. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
The Microsoft Word practice is written on a local, Word. That's one. Okay, so that's it for today. Yeah, and if you guys want to leave, go ahead and leave and drive safe. It's cold outside and stay warm. Yeah.
Thank you. I'm gonna stick on because I still have to finish.
That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, you can stay there, and the channel can be accessed 24/7. So you can upload it whenever you finish it, even if I leave the meeting here. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, good job. I upload a zip file with Word document and exit that. That is okay. Yeah, that's okay, Cameron. Good job. Good job. All right. I am gonna go ahead and stop this recording before I forget. Okay, and upload it for Ether.